Good afternoon.
Hiya, could we rest, you know your chili?
Yeah,
Do you make your own chili?
yeah,
Um,
it's homemade.
is it, so I'm gluten free, so does it have any wheat flour in it?
No, it doesn't.
Any flour at all?
It does have cornstarch.
Cornstarch, okay.
Little bit.
Any soy sauce?
No.
No soy sauce, okay, good. Okay, so could we get one, can we get a large ultimate chili cheese con carne?
Ultimate chili cheese con carne and
And then
then
one large cheesy garlic bacon one. Oh.
large pareho.
Or can we make them both XL?
Oh, okay.
2XL.
Sure. Where you from, mate?
UK?
UK.
Yeah.
From England.
Yeah.
Do you know who Spadman is?
Yeah. We've actually been to Spudman.
Ah,
Yeah, we
Yeah,
went.
we went.
really?
Yeah. It's very good.
You've been to Spadman.
Yeah, I'll try.
How's their chili? Is it
It's
spicy?
Oh, it was good spice.
I'll try and find a picture.
Who served you? Spadman or
No,
He
his
was
kid?
there,
He
but
was.
it wasn't him.
we had a photo with him.
So we did
Really?
a video.
Wow, it's my idol right there.
Yeah. I'll try and
It's
find
my
See
man.
the potatoes at the end.
There you go. There's
Oh, what a great serving.
yeah.
Can I do a video?
Yes, for sure.
There he is.
Wow. Actually, Spadman is my mutual on TikTok.
Yeah. Oh, you got him on TikTok.
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
he has been commenting on our videos last few weeks ago, few months ago. It's very interactive.
You think Spudman's better than Spud Bros?
Mm, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long have you been here?
I've been here since November.
Oh, okay.
We've been here since November.
It's going good.
It's going good so far, yeah. Actually, it's not my first time serving foreigners.
No.
Not my first time serving foreigners.
So you get quite a few.
Yeah,
You get a lot?
quite a few.
We
Where did you find it?
I just searched. Like, we're traveling around Southeast Asia, so we're trying to have a jacket potato in every country.
Yeah?
Yeah. So this is
What's your
our sixth country.
sixth country?
Yeah.
What's your TikTok page or Facebook page? Do you have any?
Yeah. It's
Sorry.
I'll give you.
Here,
You can go for
I folded it.
Yeah, so I have this, because I'm constantly I have this page, and the post like everywhere we go.
I will mention you.
And then
Can
we
you show
go
me
from
your
the- Yeah.
your name? Gluten-free Sophie. Chili, our chili. Preferably, the Filipino people doesn't really like beans that much.
So no kidney beans.
So yeah,
Oh, there's no. Oh,
we've adjusted our chili into to a thing that Filipino people will like.
I think that's good though. You need to try. Like everywhere we've been, they've all done it different. Every place has done a different way of doing it.
Thank you.
No, it's good.
No.
It's on the house.
Oh,
It's on the house.
Well,
No,
We give-
give some.
come on. We put in the tip. It's the tip. We
The
can't
tip,
accept it.
the tip will go to them
Okay. Well,
and our stuff.
how do I?
Sama daw?
How
Dito?
to go in?
put it here.
Put it on. You can put it in for me.
Alright,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. What's your name again?
Ben and Sophie.
Ben and Sophie. Thank you so much.
Thank you.